Hello friends, welcome to my channel Umar's Learning Hub, and in our today's class we will learn how to find the square root of imperfect square root or non-perfect square root. What is the meaning of imperfect square root and non-perfect square root? We will learn in this class. So, imperfect square roots or non-perfect square roots means those square roots which has the answer in decimals, which are integers but positive integers. And what is the meaning of perfect square root? Perfect square roots means like square root of 16, which is 4, square root of 64, which is 8. This is how we can find the perfect square root. So how to find non-perfect square roots? Easiest way to find non-perfect square roots in this today's class you can learn easily. So for example, we have taken a non-perfect square roots, which is square root of 20. So what is the answer of square root of 20 without using calculator? If this question comes in examination of paper 1, in which calculator is not allowed at any cost. So how to solve it? The easiest method, but it's lengthy, but it is the easiest method to solve without using calculator in exams. So the step 1 is that find the two perfect square roots in between. We have to find two perfect square roots in between 16, 20 and 25. So what is the meaning of this sign? This sign, what is the meaning now? Now this means it less than or greater than. 16 is less than 20 and 20 is less than 25. 25 is greater than. This means this is less than and this means that it is greater than. 16 is less than 20 and 20 is less than 25. So this indicates that the square root of 20 is between 4 and 5. So I am writing down square root of 20 is between square root of 20 is between 4 and 5, either 4 square or 5 square. 4 square and 5 square in between. It can be 4.1, 4.2 till 4.9. So, for example, we will guess the number. What we will do? We will guess the number. Let's say we pick a guess number like 4.5. We have to find the number between 4 and 5. So we have picked the guess number between, which is 4.5 guess number. So we will apply the formula. So you have to memorize this formula. It is underestimated, and this formula is that new guess, the number that we have guessed will come over here. So new guess equal to 1 upon 2 multiplier bracket guess plus number upon guess. This is the formula which you have to memorize at any cost. So this formula can be adjusted in all imperfect square roots or non-perfect square roots. Now we have the guess number that we have taken is the, over here I am writing at a side, guess number that we have taken is 4.5. Now we will implement this. Okay, we will implement this guess number, which is 4.5. New guess is equal to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 will be written as it is, multiplied by bracket guess, which is 4.5 plus number the square root number, which is 20 upon guess number, which is 4.5, will be written again. Now I have placed the values in the formula, which is new guess equal to 1 upon 2 or half multiplied by bracket guess plus number over guess. Now we will simplify further. 1 upon 2 multiplied by 4.5 will be written as it is as usual, and plus 20 over 4.5 will give you 4 4 5 is 20, but 4.5 is over here, so we will take 4 4 16. 4 we will written as it is 4 4, then 4.44. How 4.44? Now I will tell you. 20 over 4.5. 4 4 is 16. 4 will be written as it is, then 4 will be written as it is, then remaining is 4. Remaining will be written after the decimal. Okay, 4 4 is 16. 20 minus 16 is 4. Then after decimal, 4 will be written as it is, or if you want to the first decimal place, so I have written to the second decimal place. Okay, now what we will do, I am expanding and simplifying each of these steps. Now the third step will be that 1 upon 2 multiplied by bracket 4.5 plus 4.4. If you know the decimal additions, if you have learned in grade 5 to 6, 1 upon 2 multiplied by 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 will be written over here, then 5 plus 4, which is 9. 8.9, and 4 will be written as it is. I am now telling again how we have add two decimal values. So 4.5 plus 4.44. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 has come over here, and 0.5 plus 4, which is 9, and 4, this remaining 4, which is extra 1, so I have written after the to the second decimal place. So 1 upon 2 multiply by this, so this it will multiply by this, so 8.94 over 2. So we will cross multiply it exactly. So 8.94 upon 2, which we will get the final answer 4.47. How 4.47? Now I am telling you. 4.47 how? Now see carefully and try to understand it. How 4.4? The 4.4 how? 2 4 is 8. Step by step, we will move to the whole number, then the first decimal place, then on towards the second decimal place. 2 4 is 8. 4 will be written over here. Point. We will apply point over here. Then 2 4 is 8. 4 will be written over here as it is. Then 1 carry to 14. 2 4 is 8. 4 point. 4 2 4 is 8 again, and then carry on 14 will give you 2 7 is 14, so 4.47 is the answer of the square root of 20. This is the lengthy step, but it is lengthy formula, but it is very useful to find out the non-perfect square roots in paper 1, because paper 1 is a lot lengthy, and from previous year, or from 2024 onwards, the paper 1 has been converted from 50 to 100 marks. So the paper 1 is of 100 marks. So it is a lot much lengthy, and square and imperfect square roots finding has 20% of weightage. So this is a very common issue of students, that they lack marks over here, because calculator is not allowed in paper. So these type of questions are very much, what I say, that are very much used. So this question I hope that you have reached to my question, reached to my understanding. And in our next class, we will learn how we will learn more complex square roots questions, or to find the perfect square root question, or the tricks, building matrix, how to find perfect square roots of big numbers of, for example, 7, 9, 2, 8, or etc. So how to find those square roots we will learn in the next class. So be updated for more interesting videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Umar's Learning Hub. And if you felt this video amazing, so don't forget to like it. So this is all of today, and be updated for more interesting videos. Thank you.